Warmer weather is on the way. It may not last all that long. As for the rest of Tuesday, a bit of a north-south split with northern areas mostly dry and bright. Further south, a lot more cloud. A lump of cloud that moved in through the night, bringing some outbreaks of rain and drizzle. Nothing too heavy at this stage, but that damp weather spreading across the Midlands and towards the southeast and clouding over across East Anglia. For much of northern England, Northern Ireland, central southern Scotland, it's a fine day, dry and bright with some sunny spells. Quite windy across the far northeast of Scotland and a few showers moving in here on that pretty stiff wind, which is also keeping things fairly cool. I mean, nowhere is particularly warm with the cloud and rain and drizzle temperatures below average in the south, but a bit of sunshine, parts of Yorkshire, 21 degrees Celsius. That shouldn't feel too bad. And warmer weather is on the way for most of us as we go through Wednesday and Thursday. Before we get there, though, that rain could pep up a little through this evening over parts of Essex. Some heavier bursts possible for a time, but it does tend to scoot away by midnight. Most places then having a dry night with some lengthy clear spells. Enough of a wind continuing across the far northeast to stop temperatures dropping too far here, but through central southern Scotland, Northern Ireland, Northern England, temperatures will be down into single figures in rural spots and even further south. Some parts of the countryside, as I say, could get down to single figures. Most towns and cities in the far south holding up in the teens. And we will see warmer air arriving. Now, it's not going to be sunny everywhere during Wednesday. There'll be increasing amounts of cloud for parts of Cornwall, West Wales and Northern Ireland. And that cloud thick enough for a little bit of drizzle at times. We'll see cloud increasing too for southwest Scotland through the afternoon. Maybe again a little light rain coming in here. Still quite windy across the Northern Isles, but for most places it'll be a dry and a bright day. We'll see some blue sky and we will see those temperatures starting to rise as well. Again, nothing spectacular, but certainly above average or above where they have been for the most of the past 5 or 6 weeks, getting into the low 20s quite widely. And warmer weather still further as we head into Thursday. The cloud thick enough for a few spots of drizzle still across Northern Ireland, southwest Scotland. That's actually from a warm front which is continuing to push its way northwards, which will allow more of that warmer weather to drift north as we go through Wednesday night and into Thursday. So with high pressure in control, warmer air drifts northwards. Temperatures on Thursday more widely into the mid-20s, perhaps 27 or 28. If you don't like the warmth, then this is your friend, a cold front. That will push away that warmer weather by the time we get to Friday and into the weekend. We're back to low pressure, back to average temperatures and back to that mixture of sunshine and showers. So yes, some warmer weather on the way, although it may not last all that long. For more details, as always, make sure you're subscribing to our YouTube channels and following us right across social media.